Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Beelink Mini PC N100 I bought from Amazon. It just arrived today. I know I'm kind of late to the party. However, I buy stuff from my own money and it's not sponsored, so I buy when I can and when I need it. Anyway, let's see what it says. Back of the box. Processor is N100, 16 gig. It only supports one memory channel. Storage is 500 gig. Wi-Fi 6 and LAN is 1 gig. 12 volt, 3 amp, which is max of 36 watts of output. Okay, that's sad. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so it just slides out like that, and let's open this with my terrible skills. Hello. Okay, user manual. I like nowadays they give this pull string. It's really nice. Okay, so back plate to mount back of your monitor, HDMI, mini HDMI, which is nice, and a powerful brick. I like that. However, it would be nicer, I think, if there's a mechanism to retract these, but never mind. And some screws to mount. Okay, let's put this aside and come back to this PC. Okay, there it is. On the side, the vents over here. In front you would see USB A type 3 headphone, clear CMOS, power button. On back 2 USB 3, LAN, which is 1 gig, to HDMI, and a barrel input. And that's how we should be able to plug this in. Now let's go ahead and try to install a new SSD. Let me zoom in. So to open this, we need to take out these 4 screws on the side, and these are rubber anti-slide things, and you got a pull tab here, so you can pull this cover. Okay, let's see what's inside first. So here's a M.2 NVMe with 2280 size. It doesn't support 22110. It only supports 2280 smaller, I guess. Here is a 1 DIMM. As I said earlier, N100 is only capable of supporting 1 DIMM. And this is where our hard drive, 2.5 inch. It doesn't have to be hard drive. I'm gonna use my older SSD here to plug this in. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and change the SSD. I usually do this because I don't know what kind of a firmware or spyware or whatever it may hold. However, I'm not saying that Beelink shipped their product with any spyware. I'm just saying that, hey, I don't want to use whatever the drive is unless you want to format it and then reuse it. Okay, so I have a WD Blue SSD. Let's plug this in here, and that's how you can upgrade the memory here. And let's screw it back in. Yeah, I always find it very challenging to put this back. Oh, come on. Oops. Okay, there it is. Finally, success. And I have SSD lying around, which I don't use it, so I think would be perfect to put this in here. And the way you plug this in, put it in, is just slide like that, and no, probably it will go the other way. Yes. Okay, so let's not do this. Instead, we probably have to open these screws first and then put this back. So let's go ahead and remove these two screws. Put our SSD, slide SSD inside like this. Am I doing right? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, so after a couple of tries, I was able to put my SSD back, and let's put these screws back. And word of caution, be aware that this cable is like really sensitive, so don't try to pull very hard. And let's put this back again like that. Okay, so yeah, I was able to put this cover back, put the screws back. That's pretty much it for this video. I bought this for my low power 24/7 home server, so I'm gonna try installing Proxmox or maybe Trunas. I haven't decided yet, but hope it helps you to understand like how to upgrade stuff for this Beelink. Take care guys, thank you.